Good morning. We're doing a room tour of 5593 Animal Kingdom Lodge, 3-bedroom villa. It has a double door entrance on this side. And if you pan over towards the end of the hallway, there's another door right down there that also opens the same villa. It's kind of cribbed in there. So now we're gonna go look inside this 3-bedroom villa. Now, mind you, this is our last day here, so it's not all tidy. So it has this foyer. Hi, this is me. It has this foyer entrance right here. And to the left, right away, you have a hallway that has your laundry facilities, which is your washer and your dryer. And it has, you know, a laundry basket, and if you want to sweep, iron, and so forth. And then again, you have a full bath right off the hallway. The lighting here is not the best, but it's really nice. So you have your sink, your toilet, and it's such a nice shower because it's that 4th extra bathroom right off. So you have a shower here, right there with a normal shower head, decorated in the African theme that is throughout the Animal Kingdom Lodge. And now we're headed, this is the main living room. We got our bags ready to go. And to the left, you have a pool table, which we never touched. And then there's a balcony right here in this room. And then this is the master bedroom, which was my room. So sorry, the bed's not made. There is the king-size bedroom, king-size bed with Nala and Simba at the headboard, which is a cute touch. You also have these lamps at the end with what look to be eggs of some sort, of some animal. And then you have the master bedroom balcony overlooking the savanna. And right now I don't see any animals, but we have seen zebras and giraffes and vultures and all kinds of different animals out here, but I don't see any at all. So this particular 3-bedroom villa has the 3 balconies, 1, 2, and 3. This is the master. Back into the master we go. And as you can see, there's a kind of a barnyard double door here to come into this master. So you have those barnyard doors. And it has a awesome soak, it's not a soak, a jetted tub, which I used. It has his and hers, or just 2 separate sinks. Right here is the first. Beautiful mural here of Mufasa and what seems to be one of the scenes here of Lion King. Here's another sink. You got your toilet, you got your shower, which again has the H2O products, and there is no rain shower here, it's just a regular shower head. You got your full-size mirror, got a TV to watch as you're sitting soaking in the tub. Now it has a walk-in closet. This is the walk-in closet right here, and on the back of the door, because I couldn't find it for a bit, is a safe. So it is a huge room, huge master bedroom, master bath. So off we go to the other side of the villa. There's Sarah, hi. And it has a large dining room table right here with another balcony. And then you have your kitchen. The kitchen has stools and And then you have a full kitchen, which has your sink, your fridge, your stove, your microwave, your dishwasher. It also comes with cups, wine glasses. It has Simba right there. And then you have your coffee cups, your plates, a coffee maker, and a full drawer of coffee supplies. So they do hook you up with all that stuff. You have your toaster, and again, you got plates and so forth. Now this is a DVC room. You are able to sometimes, as a non-DVC person, rent this out. So here is another bathroom. So it has your sink. This one has a curtain, and it's just again a basic bathroom. But it is a bathroom right off the bedroom here. You got another bedroom with another balcony. This balcony is shared though with this bedroom, which is like another master because it has an ensuite bathroom. So my daughter Sarah stayed here. So there's, again, you got your 2 beds, your balcony, you have a desk, dresser, closet, and then Sarah had a ensuite bathroom. So again, you have a shower, no rainfall shower. You got your toilet, you got a nice sink there, and she also has another shower. So this bathroom, interestingly, has 2 showers. So you want to do the glass door shower or the curtain shower, but you have your choice. 2 different showers in your ensuite. Okay, so that's the tour. Oh, here's that extra door that I was talking about. So that's the tour of this 3-bedroom villa here at Animal Kingdom Lodge, Jambo House. Again,